Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Santander Investment Hub. Review my usage experience. Santander Investment Hub. Review my usage experience offers a platform for managing investments through Santander. It's aimed at individuals who want to manage their investments online, offering features like portfolio tracking, investment research tools, and potentially access to various investment products offered by Santander. Their website provides details on the specific features and investment options available. The Santander Investment Hub positions itself as a user-friendly platform for managing investments, emphasizing ease of use and potentially offering competitive pricing compared to other online investment platforms. Their website highlights the security of the platform and the range of investment products accessible. Availability is limited to Santander customers with eligible accounts. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Santander Investment Hub. Getting started was fairly straightforward. After logging into my Santander online banking account, finding the Investment Hub was simple. The onboarding process was quick, requiring only a brief confirmation of my investment knowledge and risk tolerance. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I particularly liked the clear visual representation of my portfolio's performance, presented in both graph and numerical formats. I used the research tools to look into different ETFs and found the information provided to be quite comprehensive. The speed was consistently good. I never experienced any lag or delays. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would have made checking my portfolio on the go much easier. I had a quick question about transferring funds and their support responded within 2 days via email, which was acceptable. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to monitor my investments. The standout feature for me was definitely the detailed reporting functionality, which allowed me to easily track my performance over time. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Santander Investment Hub. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs. That's my overview of Santander Investment Hub. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.